Hey guys, today we are making the 10 rings from the Shang-Chi and the Legend of the 10 Rings. At first you will need a 5mm thick foam. 5mm is the best size, so I just choose it. And now you will need a circle cutter. Now we are going to make a ring. Ring means in the center there will be a circle and from the outside it will be round. So once I'm cutting the ring, it will take a lot of time, but you will have a perfect shape of the ring just like this. And now your ring should be perfect or it won't be okay. So what I'm gonna do is wrap this strip around the ring. To make the work faster and stronger, I'm gonna use some contact glue. So what the contact glue is, you have to apply it onto the both surfaces, and once it becomes tacky, you can press the both pieces together and make sure apply onto the both surfaces. It doesn't work onto when you apply onto the one surface. So you see I'm also applying on this strip, and then you have to make sure you evenly spread it. If you don't spread it, it doesn't bond much perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to pick it up and glue them together. So once it becomes tacky, what I'm gonna do is press this all down together. You see it's fixing a lot easier than I thought. And then but you need to position it correctly, but once it's glued it will never be off, so it will tear the foam when it will be removed. So make sure. I also glue the other ring piece, and you see two rings and one strip make a one ring, just like a sandwich. So you have to cut 20 rings to make 10 rings and 10 strips. And now I'm going to make the design onto the ring. I made my own design. I didn't copy it from the movie because I like my own design and painted gold to make it look nice. I also used some supporters of the foam to make it attach rubber band. So what it does do, you can make it wearable of any size. It's just like elastic. If your hand is bigger, you can also wear it. So I made this piece from the poster board and foam. So what I'm gonna do is, it just looks like letters which are written on the rings. So I made it this very properly. So you need to be perfect with this. I know I didn't give the full tutorial of this, but someday I will give you the tutorial of this strip. So now I just glue this strip onto the ring, and now you see it looks pretty cool. Now the one ring is ready, and now you have to do 9 more rings. You can also add the orange, but I make sure to add blue because I like blue. So once that is done, now here are the 10 rings. I didn't have the orange, so I have to paint the red, and here is the blue. So you can also be the Shang-Chi, and you can also be the Wang Wu, wherever you want. You see the both rings are just amazing.